All right, all right. So number 39 through 42. Now, for number 39 and 42, we got two terms only. Okay. It seems like the ones that we have done earlier, right? And then that's a little problem. The problem is that they don't look quite like the numbers that we have seen uh, just now, because the earlier numbers, they were all like perfect square, right? 16, 9, 25, 64. Like, we don't see those perfect numbers. So what's going on now? Well, something right here, okay? Can you see that they're both multiples of 2? And we say, oh yeah, you can do something. And now, can you see what's happening here? You have x squared minus 25. Well, then you can break it down to x plus 5 and x minus 5. That's wonderful, right? Wonderful. So you may not see the numbers, the ideal numbers right away, but think of the possibilities. What could you do? If we're asking you to factor, okay, we say, oh yeah, go ahead and factor. Go ahead, try to factor. Let's say, look at this one, get 8x squared minus an 18. They're not perfect square, but they are both multiples of 2. What would that be? We shall see. Wait, look at the parentheses. It's 4x squared minus 9. So guess what? We can factor this further. We got 2x and 2x, okay? 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3, okay? So you have to uncover the difference of two perfect square, okay? You have to uncover it so that you can see it. Again, right here, I don't see any perfect square right here, but you can see 3's, right? So go ahead, factor the 3 out. And, x squared plus 1, x squared minus 1 can be factored into x plus 1 and x minus 1, okay? And over here, okay, they're not perfect square, but they are multiples of 5, right? So common factor, 5. You factor out the 5, you get x squared minus 9 in the parentheses. And then you're like, oh, that's why we have to factor first. So we have learned something right here. And that is, whenever you see something that's kind of like, you always seek opportunity to factor. If you see multiples of the same number, factor. Okay, like what would happen? We'll see, but factor them first. Always, always factor them first. All right. So that's how we handle some challenging stuff like this. Okay. The next one, we're gonna do some bonus. Okay. This is even it's more entertaining than challenging. So check back the next video so that you can understand the bonus materials. Okay.